Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. I have done subscription services boxes in the past. I've not really been a big fan of them like Ipsy, where you just get a few samples, and I ended up usually throwing most of it out or giving it away because I couldn't use it and it was not great products. So I learned about BoxyCharm and I thought, well, this may be a little bit different. What really swayed me over to try this was that you get 5 full-size products. So that is the big thing that got me. In every box, there has been a full-size palette. A full-size palette. This was the first box I got. I thought, let me try this out before I start, telling people, oh, I love it. This is the best thing ever. So I've done it for 3 months now, and I'm going to show you what I got for the past 3 months, and I will let you be able to make a informed decision about whether you want to or not. So in month 1, I got this palette, which is Alamar Cosmetics. I've never heard of them. But this is what got me to purchase it off of their, I guess, commercial. I don't know what you call it. Their advertisement on Facebook. So it says, inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar. And it's featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and velvety mattes. Look at these colors. They are so pretty. And I'm not usually one that wears colors like this. I'm more of a neutral girl. But these colors really, I feel like I could do some good looks with during the summer especially. And these colors right here would be good for the fall, because that completely matches my wardrobe. So this is what brought me in. Also in this first month's box, which would have been June, I got some Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and it is a little jar like this. Smells so divine, and it is a fast absorbing body cream that helps tighten smooth like no other. So you're supposed to put this on like your butt. I've been putting it on my tummy and my breasticles, and I have really enjoyed it. I can't tell you if it's really tightened, but it smells good and it's a good moisturizer. Also, what I'm wearing right now, I got this Ofra lipstick. It is technically a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Verona. Beautiful. And then also this Janta Blue eye pencil in charcoal. I've never had a charcoal eye pencil, so I was very intrigued by that. Let's slide my look table a little bit closer. I was like, okay, I like this. Sorry, it's refocusing. I like this. I think that I'm going to give this another month and see how it goes. So then month 2 came. This was the palette. I kept the boxing so I could show you. It's Crown. This, I'm going to flip it back so you don't see. Look at those colors. Now this is what I wear day to day. These are so beautiful, and I really like these. I think these are so gorgeous. I love this palette. I love these colors. So I got one that was like a little out of my realm, but helped me create new looks that was pushing past my limit. One that is right in my wheelhouse that I've absolutely loved. The other products that came in last month's box was a tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream from Cella. This is really interesting. It's a different kind of product than I've used before. Pop open the top where the little brush is. Open the bottom where the product is. You scoop in here and then apply. I don't like a ton of brow products on me because I end up looking like Herman Monster if it's too much. A lady at MAC about ruined me forever with brows because it was the first time I ever let anybody touch my brows, and I had to go to the bathroom and wash it off. My friend Allison was with me. She can verify this story. I was like, oh no, I will never ever ever do this. And it took me probably about 2 years to try another brow product. So I do like this. As you can see, it just kind of gives a little more definition. That's what I need. Once I put my foundation on, it can kind of, you know, coat my eyebrows, make them not look as sharp and defined as they are. So I have liked this product. I will be repurchasing this for sure. Also in this box, some Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage Depuffing Eye Gel. I have been using this and I do like it. I'm still on the fence as to whether I will be repurchasing. I will let you know. I have used his, I guess it's a him, it might be a her, their pore filler before for the primer, and I really like it. So I also have this Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara from Wander Beauty. And I have not used this mascara yet because I'm finishing up a tube right now and I didn't want to have too many open at one time and have them dry out unnecessarily when I could use it. I mean, this is a full-size mascara, so I'm going to be using this next after I finish with my manga, and I will let you know how I like that as well. Last but not least, in last month's box was this Note blush. Very pretty. It comes with a little brush. I'll be throwing that away. I don't use anything like that. But I like the size. I like the compact. Easy to throw in your bag and take with you. And it is a very pretty color. This month's box today. So it comes in a little black box like this. You open it up and you will have a little card on the top. Usually has some coupon codes for the brands that are offered that month. You pull back this little sponge, which is protective, so if anything happens during the mail, it won't crack your palettes or anything. And then all your products are inside. Look at this. And this month I actually got more than 5 products, so how about that? This was the main attraction, Laura Lee Los Angeles. She is a YouTuber and she has released her own cosmetics line. This is one of her palettes and these are such fun bright colors. Now I don't know if I will be using these myself because this is way outside my comfort zone. I like that first palette with those, you know, kind of muted, more bright colors. But this, I think I'm going to give to my cousin Stephanie. She really likes bright colors. She likes doing wild makeup looks. So this is right up her alley. And she will be getting a treat very soon. But I did get some other cool things. Oh, you know what I didn't show you from the first box that I just found underneath my thing? These lashes. This is from Baddington Lashes. It says, if all else fails, bite your lashes. How cute is this packaging? There they are on the inside. And these are Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. So I will be wearing these to a special occasion. I don't wear false lashes all the time, but I do like them for a good date night. What reminded me about those was the ones that came in this month's package. And these are from House of Lashes. These are Bombshell. And I like these. I think that these will look so good. I have some family pictures coming up, so I think I'll pop these on to make my eyes really stand out. Also in this month's box was this Adese, I guess I'm saying that right, Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. I just bought some cuticle oil at Sally's. I'm so upset that I didn't know this was coming. But I now have this brand, so I will be stocked up fully on my cuticle oil. Put a little dab for you. Husband says I have to dab. smells pretty good. Doesn't smell chemically. I don't know if you can see anything, but there it is on my ratchet now. Hey, girl. Alright. Next from Bang Beauty. This is gel eyeliner in the color chocolate. I usually like brown on my lower lash line. I have not used a brown gel on the top. So I'm interested to try this with some of those colors that came in that very first palette. I think this will be very complimentary to them. So I'm excited to use that in conjunction with them. Next, I have the Smashbox Be Legendary Lipstick in Totes Matte. Is that really the name? Totes Matte. And this is the little package that it comes in. Very pretty color. This is very much what I would wear on a day-to-day basis. I love this color. Here it is over the top of what I already have. I have no lips, so I'm not a great lipstick model, but you can see the color. Next from Wander Beauty also, I have 3 gel eye masks, and it says Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So we have 3 pair of those. Get my eyes looking real fresh. Get my eyes looking really refreshed. So I'm excited about those. That was a great box. So even though there's been one thing that I wouldn't use personally, I'm going to give it to someone who will use it, and it will bring them some joy and make me look like a good cousin. And I've been really pleased with it so far. I'm going to continue it. I mean, you get 5 full-size products for $21 a month. I mean, it's well worth the price. So if you would like to sign up, I will leave my code in the box, in the description box. If you sign up using my code, we both get like a free little gift with our next order. So if you want to, sign up with me and we can continue to get good makeup every month. I think I must have thrown away my card for the very first box, but for this second one, I will show you it. It was Road Trippin', and it's got all the products listed and some information about them, and then the prices. The Dr. Brandt No More Baggage was $42 retail. The Crown Brush eyeshadow collection is $29.99. Wander Beauty Mascara was $24, and then the Note Cosmetics Blush was $11.99, and the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream was $26, and I got all of that for $21. What a steal. Okay, so for this last box, this is the little card that comes with it. It's got a picture of Laura Lee and some of her friends. Let's live it up. And her palette is retailing for $19. The House of Lashes lashes are between $9 to $12. Some boxes get different things. And the Smashbox lip product is anywhere from $21 to $24. The gold eye mask were $13. And the Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner was $22. The Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil was $18. So, that was a heck of a deal. I think the last month's box was a better deal, but I mean, still you're getting way more than what you paid for. It's a great deal. So, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and remember, if you don't have anything nice to say, shut your glad mouth. Bye, y'all.